training course was very intensive, but great fun. We learned so much whilst we were there in those 2 weeks, and the training that we had was just phenomenal. The information that we gathered from it and the friends that we've made from it was just unbelievable.
After leaving training, I had my first sales appointment on the Monday. I sold my first kitchen on the Tuesday for £10,000. The first month we sold just over £50,000 worth of goods, and it's a real roller coaster.
Well, Rick, as our BDM, has been amazing. He's there no matter what time of day it is, and no matter whether it's a Saturday or a Sunday, and no question is ever silly in his eyes. If it's causing a problem or we're worried about it, he will answer it for us and he will help us.
Since we opened the showroom, it's achieved two things. One is our sales have boomed massively, doubled, almost overnight.
Yeah, it's been busy, very busy since the showroom opened, and that's meant a huge change in obviously our workload.
It's given me a base of operations where I can put some people, so I've managed to build a nice small team around me who've taken a lot of the weight off, which allows me to focus on selling and delivering the great customer service that we're now building the reputation for.
The opening day was fun at the end. That's what it was about. It was a bit of a mini celebration for us. It was great to have family there, and a couple of customers even, as well as buyers and representation from head office. It was a really fun day. Really enjoyed it.
So on the opening day, we had a very well attended day, both from the Dream Doors team and locally from customers and from staff and from the mayor and the mayoress, who actually bought a kitchen from us, which we fitted last week as a result of the opening day. So even on the opening day, we were selling. So it was well attended. We had a nice bit of food, some drinks, and then we had really good sets of photographs and video taken afterwards that were available to us and published on the web and everything else. So that was, again, very professional, very slick, very well done.
We decided to renew because the business is going very well. It's successful, and most of all, we enjoy doing it. It's given us the freedom to run our own business and manage our own hours. With a young family, that's really important.
I have had to hire staff to manage the showroom. My wife Anne works in the showroom part-time on Saturdays and the odd Friday, but for the most part we operate with 3 part-time staff, 2 in the showroom and 1 van driver.
We've kind of got to where we wanted to be. I think, as everybody said today, that first year or 2 is hard. You grow, you learn, you don't know what you don't know. But 7 years in, you'd like to think we know what we're doing. We now have the highest turnover across the network. So yeah, I think we got to where we wanted to be.
We decided to renew again after 10 years because we just really enjoy doing it, and it seems like the obvious thing to do. Why, you're doing something you enjoy and it's profitable, it's a bit of a no-brainer really.
Specific successes. Well, primarily our net profit, which obviously is the key most important thing for any of the franchisees. We've grown our net profit year on year. Last year and this year probably our most successful years. In fact, they are our most successful years, which has allowed us to do lots of things that we've wanted to do in our personal lives.
I think the reward from this journey is several-fold, and there's a personal sense of achievement. And I've done lots of things in a previous life in a corporate world, and good things. But I think to sit back and say you've achieved what we've achieved is something that we're both very proud of, and so that on its own is a big reward. But we're also at a point now where we're not working 12 hours a day, 7 days a week. We do have time off. We, in a financial position where it's comfortable. So yeah, we've kind of got the monetary reward and that sense of achievement.